Facebook live event option not showing. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can fix this problem of Facebook live event option not showing on your post feed. What you have to do is click your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then you have to scroll down until you see this option of help and support. Click this option, and here you have to choose report a problem, and then you have to choose continue to report, and then click include in report. Here you can just choose this option of events and then report a problem, that what problem you're facing. Here I'm going to write that I can't see the option of live event on my profile feed, please help me out. So here I have written that I can't see the live event option on my account, please fix it. I'm going to click send, and then Facebook is going to fix this issue for me in 24 to 48 hours. And I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.